Jim at Donnelly Ford here in Mount Vernon, Ohio. I want to show you this Shelby SuperSnake. This color is Agate Black. Obviously starting off with showing you the motor. Gray stripes or magnetic stripes over the hood. Does have sensors up front, of course the spoiler up front. Shelby big brakes and of course rotors on it. Does have blind spot, you know, all those normal amenities that all the trucks do. Obviously on the inside, different leather for the SuperSnake package. Does have the B&O stereo, it's Bang & Olufsen. Lots of carbon fiber in there. Heated seats, air conditioned seats, moonroof overhead. Just like all the F-150s, tons of room in the back. That is a big old 22-inch wheel on the back. Tonneau cover on it with the same stripe going all the way down. Tailgate assist, tailgate step. Does have the Rhino liner. Backup sensors, of course, backup camera. Dual exhaust. A good side view, of course, the stripe along the bottom tells you that it registers at 775 horsepower. Just kind of give you a cool view of the hood and what it looks like as well.
If you love this Shelby SuperSnake, give Jim a call.